10 Cool Tech Gadgets, 2026. Available. On Amazon, technology in 2026 continues to surprise, blending style, utility, and innovation in ways that make everyday life both easier and more fun. Amazon has become a treasure trove for discovering gadgets that are not just clever, but genuinely useful. From personal security to portable gaming, these gadgets show how design, practicality, and smart engineering can coexist, often in compact or affordable packages. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or just someone who loves discovering clever devices, these 10 gadgets stand out for their creativity, functionality, and ability to improve daily life in small but meaningful ways. ZipGuard Safety Lock. The ZipGuard Safety Lock is an ingenious solution for protecting luggage, cabinets, or personal items. Unlike traditional locks, it combines a small, lightweight design with advanced security features, including combination codes and tamper-resistant construction. Its portability means it can be used on everything from suitcases to backpacks, and it provides peace of mind for travelers, commuters, and students alike. Durable and simple to operate, the ZipGuard proves that effective security doesn't need to be bulky or expensive. For anyone who wants to safeguard belongings quickly and efficiently, this compact lock merges convenience with smart engineering, showing that even small gadgets can have a big impact on personal security. EOS Titanium Wallets. EOS Titanium Wallets redefine the concept of a wallet by combining ultra-strong materials with sleek, minimalist design. Crafted from durable titanium, these wallets are resistant to bending, scratching, and everyday wear, making them long-lasting companions for anyone who values both style and practicality. Despite their sturdiness, they remain incredibly slim, fitting comfortably in pockets or bags without adding bulk. Beyond aesthetics, many models include RFID blocking technology, protecting sensitive cards from digital theft. For anyone looking to upgrade their everyday carry, EOS wallets blend resilience, functionality, and modern design into a single, practical gadget. Thumby, the tiny playable keychain. The Thumby is a pocket-sized, fully playable gaming console designed to fit on a keychain. Despite its size, it offers a surprising level of gameplay, complete with tiny buttons, an OLED screen, and preloaded retro-style games. Portable, lightweight, and fun, it brings a dose of nostalgia for classic handheld gaming while offering modern tech enthusiasts a novelty gadget to enjoy anytime, anywhere. Its compact design also makes it a conversation starter, blending entertainment with portability in a way that larger consoles cannot. For tech lovers and casual gamers alike, Thumby proves that fun doesn't need to be large or expensive. It just needs to be clever. Famokas Fidget Spinners. Famokas. Fidget spinners take the classic stress relief tool to a new level with enhanced materials, precision engineering, and design variations that appeal to collectors and enthusiasts. They spin smoothly, quietly, and for extended periods, delivering both tactile satisfaction and a surprisingly meditative experience. Some models integrate LED lights or metallic finishes, making them visually captivating as well as functional. Perfect for desks, study areas, or moments of focus, Famokas spinners are more than a toy. They're an example of how a simple, affordable gadget can combine relaxation, skill, and subtle entertainment in one handheld device. X-Real Beam. The X-Real Beam is a wearable augmented reality device that projects high-definition visuals in a compact, glasses-like form factor. It allows users to overlay digital content onto the real world, from gaming and streaming to productivity applications, effectively bringing virtual screens anywhere. Lightweight, stylish, and intuitive to use, it's designed for both professionals and casual tech enthusiasts who want immersive experiences without carrying bulky equipment. Its portability and versatility make it a standout gadget for anyone interested in AR technology, demonstrating how future-ready devices can now be accessible and practical for everyday life. Citizen CZ Smartwatch. The Citizen CZ smartwatch blends classic wristwatch aesthetics with modern smartwatch capabilities. Featuring fitness tracking, notifications, customizable watch faces, and seamless smartphone integration, It allows users to stay connected and monitor health while maintaining a sophisticated, timeless design. Its durable construction, water resistance, and battery life make it practical for everyday wear, while the interface is intuitive enough for both tech novices and enthusiasts. For anyone who wants the functionality of a smartwatch without compromising style, the Citizen CZ delivers a well-balanced, high-quality experience that suits work, exercise, and leisure. DockCase Smart SSD Enclosure. The DockCase Smart SSD Enclosure is a versatile, compact device that allows users to turn internal SSDs into portable, high-speed storage drives. Supporting USB-C and high data transfer speeds, it is ideal for photographers, videographers, and anyone needing fast external storage. Its sleek, durable casing protects sensitive drives while ensuring plug-and-play functionality with most computers and devices. With rising demands for portable storage, the DockCase Smart SSD Enclosure combines convenience, performance, and portability, allowing tech enthusiasts to manage large data efficiently without investing in pre-built external drives. WatchGuard. Vista XLT Body Camera. The WatchGuard. Vista XLT Body Camera is a professional-grade, compact wearable camera that has become more accessible for personal use and small business applications. It records high-definition video, offers durable battery life, and features secure storage options. Whether used for documentation, security, or outdoor activities, it provides reliable recording in a small, unobtrusive form factor. For anyone who values personal documentation or situational recording, the Vista XLT shows how professional-grade technology can now fit in a compact, affordable package suitable for everyday use. GPD Win 4 Handheld Console. The GPD Win 4 is a powerful handheld gaming console that fits in your hands while delivering PC-level performance. It runs full Windows applications, supports streaming services, and has an ergonomic controller designed for long gaming sessions. Despite its small size, it handles modern games with impressive speed and resolution, making it an ideal portable gaming solution for enthusiasts. Its combination of portability, power, and versatility shows how gaming hardware is evolving, proving that high-quality experiences don't need to be tied to desktops or large consoles. For tech and gaming lovers, the GPD Win 4 is a compact powerhouse that redefines mobile entertainment. Titanium Pocket Utility Knife. The Titanium Pocket Utility Knife is a minimalist, durable, and multifunctional tool perfect for everyday carry. Made from high-quality titanium, it is lightweight yet incredibly strong, capable of cutting, opening, and performing small repair tasks with ease. Its compact size allows it to fit in pockets or backpacks without adding bulk, while the precision construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether used for outdoor adventures, home projects, or emergency situations, this knife blends simplicity, durability, and practical functionality into one small, affordable gadget that's surprisingly versatile. From portable gaming to smart accessories, personal security, and professional tools, these 10 gadgets showcase how innovation and practicality can merge without extravagant costs. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow tech lovers. Comment below with which gadget you'd try first and discover which one could become your next favorite essential in 2026.